Tired of your characters just standing there? Let's make them talk. First, open Adobe Animate, or Adobe Flash, as some may know it from the Create New menu. Select Action Script 30 if you're doing more advanced interaction, or HTML5 Canvas, or similar for simpler animation. Now, draw your character, keep it simple, or go all out. Whatever suits your style. Focus on the head and mouth for now, which is the key to talking. The magic happens with mouth shapes. Draw several different mouths for various sounds A, E, I, O, and you consider simple shapes to match each vowel sound. Next, put those mouth shapes on the timeline. Each shape occupies a specific frame for a selected amount of time. This creates the illusion of movement. Now, sync the mouth shapes to the audio. Listen to your audio and change the mouth shapes on your timeline to correspond with the proper sounds. A great tip is to create the head and mouth as separate symbols. This will allow your animation to be a little more manageable. Finally, add some personality. Give your character blinking eyes, head movements, and body language for dynamic interactions, and there you have it, a talking cartoon. Now you can add your character to the animated world.